So how can you close the countdown sound and all of the other things in your Apple Watch regarding the countdown? Let me show you how it works. If you're new on this channel, subscribe, and that way you're not gonna miss anything. So you might be aware that when you start a workout, you're gonna get a countdown. So a few things you can do, like you can tap on it right away when it starts counting down, like 3, 2, 1. You can tap on a 3 and it's just gonna go directly to your workout, so you skip the countdown. On the other hand, you can also open up your watch app on the iPhone and go to the workouts app inside of the settings, and you can see that we have the ability to enable an option which is going to skip the workout timer or the countdown, right? So it is going to be like an instant type of workout. So as I say, it is called Precision Start in the workout section, and you can enable this. And the Precision Start just means that once you start the workout, it's right away. So it's no just the countdown. It's like skipped altogether. It's not even a part of the watch. It just goes straight to the workout tracking, right? So that's just how you can close it or just stop that altogether. However, if you're just interested in the sound, right, you can just make sure to get your Apple Watch to the silent mode, right? You can go to the control center, enable the silent mode, and that way no sound will be emitted like anywhere, right? So that might be something you are interested in. And yeah, that's what you can do. So let me know in the comments below what exactly you wanted to do and if you actually managed to successfully do this. Subscribe for upcoming videos and explanation tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna talk to you in the next videos.